she's here for Augie. Kasi nga alam niya nasa-stress si Augie.
Babalik na sa GMA Telebabad Block si Asia Songbird Regine Velasquez. Ito'y para sa upcoming soap na I Heart You Pare. Sa unang pagkakataon, makakatambal ni Regine sa isang soap si Ding Dong Dantes.
Yeah, I'm really happy na eh. I'm really happy that I'm working with him now for the first time in a soap. And it's a pretty exciting, diba, project. At saka, kakaiba rin yung role para kay Ding Dong. May in love siya sa bakla. Or at least iniisip niya bakla yung character.
Bagamat sa Desyembre na ang kasal nila ng nobyong si Ogie Alcacid, good destruction daw for Regine ang paggawa ng soap.
Ako naman, masipag ako eh. Hindi ako umaayaw sa trabaho. Plus, ayaw kong ma-stress sa wedding. So, this is a good distraction for me. And para ma-miss din ako ng honey ko bilang hindi niya ako makikita.
Pagdating sa mga preparasyon sa kasal, mas tutok daw si Ogie. Katuwang ang kapatid at manager ni Regine na si Kakay Velasquez. Naikwento kamakailan ni Regine ang 2 linggo niyang pag-iyak dahil sa pag-atras ng unang venue na napili nila. Pero ngayon, okay na raw siya.
Oo, wala na, tapos na yun. Basta hindi na kami doon. Meron na.
Samantala, nasa Pilipinas ang ex-wife ni Ogie na si Michelle Van Aimrin upang tumulong sa mga preparasyon.
Doon kahapon nagpunta kami ng Batangas and she saw the place and she loved it. And of course, she's here for Augie. Kasi nga alam niya nasa-stress si Augie. Siyempre, family niya si Michelle eh. Pero actually, ako naman talaga yung pinunta ng dito. So, bilang mas mahal niya ako.
Former presidential grandson, top brand endorser, supermodel, one of the country's most eligible bachelors, Borgie Marcos Manotoc. Alin nga bang mundo ang mas nababagay sa kanya? Sa pagitan ng 2 industriyang kapwa puno ng intriga, Borgie Manotoc. Saan ba patungo? Sa showbiz o politika? Borgie, sasagot live!
Kasi alam niyo, loyalista ako, no? Loyalista.
Okay, sana nagbaon tayo ng English. Okay, mauna ka na.
You sign up with Viva. Ibig ba sabihin nito, papasok ka na sa showbiz?
Yes, I think it's time now. Kasi dati may business ako, kailangan ko talaga hands-on. So now, 3 years na yung business ko, kaya ko naman interject sa TV, sa showbiz, tignan ko kung anong pwede.
Well, Borgie, I'm sure you had offers before. Now, what did you say yes to the Viva offer?
I think that it was the right time, and I feel that I'm, in the right situation in my life na kaya kong really, to enter show business. And I think that, I really feel I have a bit more passion towards it, because in the past it was more of just something that I wanted to try out, to experiment, to see if it would fit. But now I really have an idea of what I want to do. I really want to, I feel that having traveled the world, kasi kailangan talaga sikat talaga yung Pinas all over the world. Like the world needs to see what's happening here, and I'd like to be part of it.
So with Viva, movies and TV ang gagawin mo?
And let's start with TV first. Movies are a little scary for me right now, but we'll see what happens.
No limitations sa roles or preference to roles or whatever?
Yeah, well, basta aral ko muna ng Tagalog. So
Why don't we start now?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, sige.
Now
Pure
is a good
Tagalog,
time.
Meron ka bang particular na role sa isip mo? Okay. At leading lady.
Oh, wow. Siyempre naman, leading lady kailangan, diba? I've always wanted to play the antagonist. Kasi, in the modeling scene, they always play you up as good boy. And of course, I think people know that I have a different side also. So maybe to play like a funny bad guy, that would be fun.
Funny
That'd be fun.
Funny bad
Funny
guy.
bad guy. Pwede yun, di ba?
Paano yung leading lady?
Leading lady.
Sinong
Let's see. Well, aside from the obvious choice.
for the obvious?
Yeah. Maybe, let's see, who would be good? Oh, I always thought Hart was very talented and, obviously very beautiful. But, I know, obviously she has a boyfriend. So, for work purposes.
Marian Rivera.
Pwede rin.
Puro
Pwede
taken
rin.
naman yung sinasabi
Yeah,
niyo eh.
Oh.
Hirap yun. Okay naman. Okay.
Take naman din siya.
Ano na lang?
Pero sino yung crushes mo dito sa Channel 7, sa Kapuso Network?
Okay, there's a lot.
Taken or not taken?
Taken or not taken, walang limitation.
Taken or not.
Wala magagalit. Crush lang naman.
Crush lang? Siyempre si Rian.
Rian Ramos. Okay,
of course.
maganda yun.
Yeah, it's
Talino.
very pretty.
Ako, nagot
Yeah.
ka kay Rian. Hahanapin ka na niya.
Ang isang bagay kay Borgie, alam mo sino? Si Georgina Wilson.
Ay, nako, matagal na
Diba,
silang
parang
bagay.
showbiz.
Pina,
ano?
Wilson, bagay naman talaga sila. Di ba?
Kaya lang kasi
I think I'm lucky that I cut my hair, so finally now she speaks to me. Kasi dati hindi niya gusto daw yung mahabang buhok.
Ah, wow.
Pero, Borgie,
Ayan,
kasi di ba, papasok ka ng industry, ang daming chismis dito. Naka-ready ka ba?
Parang. Obviously, I won't understand till I'm really in it. But kasi yung pamilya ko, since we've been kids, we've always been, experienced different intrigue here and there. So I think that, I've seen what happens and the extent of it, and I think ready naman ako.
Ready ka kahit na hinahalungkat yung private life mo, yung pag nagdi-date kayo ng girlfriend mo, may mga bigla na nagsisipot
Well,
at
ganyan
mababasa
talaga
mo
yung
sa
buhay, di ba?
column ni Ricky Lo at susulatin ni Bus Francisco.
Sino ba yun?
Going both of
Bait
them.
naman si Ricky, okay lang yan.
Oo, mabait na ako eh.
Ako hindi ako
Kaibigan ko yung
masyadong
mother.
kabaitan.
Kaibigan ko yung mami ni Georgina eh. Si Aurora, kaibigan ko yung mami eh.
Hindi, pero anong status niyo ba ni Georgina now?
Right now, we're still dating, taking things slowly. We're both very busy. So I think, we're in no rush to make a commitment. We're, in our 20s still. So we're still quite young and we still have some time to grow. So we'll see how it goes.
Ano relasyon nyo ni Richard Gutierrez? Yung ex ni Georgina?
He's a nice guy. We've met a few times. We've gone out, we've hung out, had dinners and drinks.
Siyempre,
So,
ano naman siya,
okay naman. Bait
So,
naman
walang
siya.
awkward moment?
Hindi. Okay sila. Because they're still friends, wala silang problema. So, it's easy. It's easy.
So Tagalog ulit ha.
Oh,
Siyempre, Borgie, ngayong papasok ka na sa showbiz, hindi malayang mag-cross ulit ang landas niyo ni Richard na ex ba ni Georgina? Ano magiging reaction mo kaya ngayong naliling ka kay Georgina at na-link noon si Richard kay Georgina?
Ganyan talaga sa industriya, di ba? That's part of it, and I think that I'm willing and very ready to deal with those issues.
Pero selosa ba si Georgina?
Hindi naman.
Meron ba dapat ipagselo si Georgina?
Babantayan na ni Georgina nga si Rian Ramos.
Ayun.
Trust niya.
Sorry, Rian. No, hindi naman. She's very understanding. Of course, she dated somebody like Richard. So, alam niya kung ano nangyayari sa mga showbiz, alam niya yung mga intriga. So, she understands.
Galing ka sa pamilya ng mga politiko.
Oh.
Do you have any plans na mag-enter din ng politics?
Well, it's a different animal. I think show business first, and then politics maybe will come later. It's part of my family. I can't say no, but at the same time, I think the climate of politics is
Di
not
bale,
for me
boboto
yet.
ka ng lahat
Di ba?
ng taga-Startup.
Ay,
Nag-run.
salamat.
Don't
Thank you
worry.
po.
Lalo na si Isabel Oily.
We are the more fun animals here in showbiz. Okay. Any message sa inyong... Marami ka ng fans ngayon, pero dadami pa yan.
Oh,
pag
parang initiation
nasa showbiz
mo to.
ka na. Okay.
Initiation
Anong
mo to
message
into
mo
showbiz, eh.
sa mga fans mo pagpasok mo sa showbiz?
I'm looking forward to meeting all of you and doing things on television and doing entertainment, and I hope that you support me, and God bless all of you.
Message kay Rian Ramos.
Yan.
Hello.
Ay, teka muna. Sabi ni Ernie Pecho, batiin daw natin siya ng happy birthday. Yun daw na
Happy
wala
birthday,
pang-
Ernie, tsaka si
Yun na
Lenny
wala pang
Pulmano.
regalo sa kanya, pwede pang padala sa bahay niya.
Okay.
So Borgie, parang ito, initiation mo na. Mild pa yan. So you'll be ready
Wala pa si
for
Joey dito.
something
Okay.
more serious. Thank you, Borgie.
Paborito ko siya, no?
Anyway, good luck to you.
Oh, thank you so much. Congratulations on your 15th year.
Guesting here. And Borgie, ito naman yung poll question today. Sa bawat iskandalong kinasangkutan ng mga artista, dapat ba silang manahimik na lamang o kailangan bang magpaliwanag sila sa publiko?
Choices?
A. Manahimik. B. Magsalita. What do you think, Borgie?
Anong choice mo, Borgie? Manahimik o magsalita?
Ayun.
good. That's right.
Star talk lang. Star
Okay.
talk. Okay.
Okay.
And to vote, type react space A or B and send to 4627 for all networks. At i-reveal namin ang resulta ng botohan mamaya. Kaya abangan nyo yan. Okay.
Tignan mo, nagtitis siya, Borgie.
Magbabalik po
Si
ang
Oswald
Star Talk.
nagtitis para
Okay,
sa'yo.
salamat Dr. Ricky Bello and Flores.
Thank you, Borgie.
Magbabalik
Thank
po
you so
kami.
much.
Later pa! Manny Pacquiao, aminadong nahihirapan bilang kinatawan. Abangan! Starto DX3! Sino ang matitirang matibay? Kayanin ni Senator Bong Revilla Jr. ang matitinding tanong ni Ricky Lo?
Nasabi mo bang faithful si Bong Revilla? What?
I am faithful.
Starto DX3!
Claudine Barreto, tuluyan na nga bang mananahimik sa isyong namamagitan sa kanila ng dating kaibigan na si Angelica Panginiban? Claudine, sasagot sa tanong na, kailan sapat ang pagiging tapat?
Sana tapos na, pero habang may buhay, may problema naman eh.